Well, good evening, everyone. Got a little bit of a storm that it's coming through again, but look at this. We got a double rainbow. Wow. Time to go out and buy a lottery ticket. Look at that. Wow. It's starting to rain. Pretty good again. Got a little bit of rain on the windshield. The sky's been black on and off all day here. Anyway, I just wanted to share this this rainbow with you. Look at that. You can see the double ring all the way through. Anyway, show me what's in your sky tonight. Have a good one. Stay safe and stay dry. Well, good evening, everyone. Just out up at the visitor center tonight. It's starting to rain again. The skies are pretty dark here in behind us, but look what we've got here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. It's raining a bit here now. The sun is out there behind the trees. Look at the sky. But that rainbow is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, I thought I'd just do a little short blurb here. And wow, I haven't seen a rainbow that bright in I can't tell you how long. It's amazing, amazing. We'll just go over here. We'll see the other side of it. Like, look at the rings on that. Phone's getting wet. I'm getting wet. Amazing, amazing. Such beauty. Wow. Anyway, if you can see a rainbow like that, the colors, they're getting brighter and brighter and more vivid. I'm going to turn you around here. Look at that. That one is super, super, super bright. And the other one's just above it, getting faint there now. But that is strong. We got a little bit of wind here again tonight. The sun is coming through the trees. Wow. Anyway, hope you enjoy.